Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about the nature of light. In last class, we were studied about the structure of chlorophyll molecules. Chlorophyll is the major pigment responsible for trapping light, and other thylakoid pigments like chlorophyll responsible for trapping light like chlorophyll B, xanthophylls and carotenoids, which are called accessory pigments, also absorb light and transfer the energy to chlorophyll A, because chlorophyll A is the main photosynthetic pigment and other pigments chlorophyll B, xanthophylls and carotenoids are accessory pigments which help the photosynthesis and absorb light and transfer the energy to chlorophyll A. Indeed, they not only enable a wide range of wavelength of incoming light to be utilized for photosynthesis, but also protect chlorophyll A from photooxidation. Now, we are going to talk about the nature of light. Sunlight is the main source of energy for all living organisms. And sunlight travels in space in the form of electromagnetic rays having wavelength 2000 angstrom to 4000 angstrom. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 nanometer. Okay. The distance between two waves of these electromagnetic rays is called wavelength and it is depicted as lambda. इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेज की टू वेव्स के बीच की जो डिस्टेंस होती है वो लैम्बडा होती है एंड द एनर्जी ऑफ वेव्स इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द वेवलेंथ ऑफ द रेज. Thus, shorter wavelength radiations have high energy and longer wavelength radiations have low energy. And the visible part of the electromagnetic rays is called visible spectrum. It means visible light of electromagnetic radiations which are known as light. According to wavelength in electromagnetic radiation, following waves are present, like X-rays, gamma rays, cosmic rays, light spectrum, infrared, microwave and radio waves. Visual spectrum have 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. In short, these are known as Vibgyor. Capital V represent the violet color, capital I represent the indigo color, capital B represent the blue color, capital G represent the green color, capital Y represent the yellow color, capital O represent the orange color and capital R represent the red color. Violet color have 390 nanometer wavelength and red color 760 nanometer. It means short wavelength have high energy and long wavelength have low energy. Then energy increased from violet to red color, and visible part of the electromagnetic rays is called visible spectrum. First position in the spectrum is of cosmic rays, further X-rays, after ultraviolet, UV rays, and the region of visible spectrum have 7 colors, and it is present between the ultraviolet and infrared. After this, microwave and red wave are present. These waves start from 10 is power minus 14 to 10 is power minus 12, 10 is power 10 minus 10, 10 is power minus 8, 10 is power minus 6, 10 is power minus 4, 10 is power minus 2, and after infrared 1, 10 is power 2, 10 is power 4, and 10 is power 6. So, the wavelength of visible spectrum ranges from 390 nanometer to 760 nanometer. In other words, 360 to 760 nanometer or 400 to 700. But actual data of wavelength of visible spectrum is 390 nanometer to 760 nanometer. And this visible spectrum consists of 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. And these are abbreviated as VIBGYOR, and each color has a definite wavelength. The wavelength of visible light is 390 nanometer, means 3900 angstrom, to 760 nanometer, it means 7600 angstrom. Violet color is 390 to 430 nanometer. Blue color is 430 to 760 nanometer, blue or indigo. Blue green color is 470 to 500 nanometer. Green color is 500 to 580 nanometer. Yellow color is 580 to 600 nanometer, and orange color is 600 to 650 nanometer, and orange red is 650 to 660 nanometer, and red color is 660 to 700 nanometer, and far red is 700 to 760 nanometer. What is the far red? Red light have more than 700 nanometer wavelength, which is called as far red, which help in the flowering of plant, and infrared is 760 nanometer to 2600 nanometer wavelength. After this, infrared wavelength is start. Next point, the region of wavelength higher than 760 nanometer is called infrared, and the region of wavelength shorter than 390 nanometer is called ultraviolet or UV rays region. It means below the 390 ultraviolet and above the 760 nanometer is infrared region. Okay. Solar radiation reach at Earth have 300 nanometer to 2600 nanometer wavelength, which include the X-rays, cosmic rays, gamma rays, ultraviolet, visible spectrum, and infrared. For photosynthesis, which is known as photosynthetically active radiation, in short, PAR. Photosynthetically active radiation is the full form of PAR, is 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. Okay. Leaves appear green because chlorophylls do not absorb green light. लीव्स का कलर ग्रीन इसलिए दिखाई देता है बिकॉज लीव्स के अंदर जो क्लोरोफिल पिगमेंट प्रेजेंट होता है वो ग्रीन लाइट को एब्जॉर्ब नहीं कर सकता, उसको रिफ्लेक्ट कर देता है, तो रिफ्लेक्शन की वजह से लीव्स का कलर ग्रीनिश शो होता है. द इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेज कंटेन एनर्जी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी पैकेट्स, and these high energy packets are called photon. It means distributed element in light is known as photon, and these are carrier of energy. And energy contained in one photon is called quantum, or energy which is present in photon is known as quantum energy or h nu. So, quantum energy h nu is related with wavelength lambda. Okay. In low wavelength light, more quantum energy present, and in high wavelength light, less quantum energy present, because quantums are energy packets. So, लो वेवलेंथ लाइट में क्वांटम एनर्जी ज़्यादा होती है और हाई वेवलेंथ लाइट में क्वांटम एनर्जी कम होती है. एंड मेजरमेंट ऑफ क्वांटम एनर्जी इन जूल और किलो जूल. It is the measuring unit of quantum. So, in the process of photosynthesis, reduction of one molecule of CO2 requires 0 to 10 photon, and this is called as quantum need of photosynthesis. It means एक CO2 मॉलिक्यूल का रिडक्शन करने के लिए, एक CO2 मॉलिक्यूल को फिक्स करने के लिए 0 to 10 फोटॉन्स की नंबर रिक्वायर्ड होती है. इसको क्वांटम नीड ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस कहा जाता है. And the number of oxygen molecules released for quantum is called quantum yield. ओके, क्वांटम से जो ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल्स रिलीज होते हैं वो क्वांटम यील्ड होती है. सो फोटोन एनर्जी फोटोसिंथेसिस में बहुत ही एसेंशियल है. नोट, plants show maximum photosynthesis when blue and red light region blue and red region of light is supplied together. जब प्लांट को ब्लू एंड रेड दोनों लाइट एक साथ दी जाती है तो फोटोसिंथेसिस की रेट हाई होती है. एंड रेट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस बिकम 0 व्हेन ओनली ग्रीन लाइट इज सप्लाइड. जब प्लांट को ओनली ग्रीन लाइट की सप्लाई दी जाती है तो फोटोसिंथेसिस की रेट 0 हो जाती है, बिकॉज क्लोरोफिल उसको एब्जॉर्ब नहीं कर सकता और इस केस में फोटोसिंथेसिस डिक्लाइन हो जाता. Because blue and red region of light is more important in photosynthesis. So, more energy is present in blue light while less energy present in red light. But red light more efficient and green light is less effective in photosynthesis, and light which is transmitted from the plant, green is more present in it. So those plant which is grow below the any plant, less photosynthetic rate occurs in them. Now next topic of this chapter is that mechanism of photosynthesis. Light energy absorbed by chlorophyll molecule and the accessory pigments is used in photolysis of water, and this reaction results into release of oxygen, H plus and electrons. And the electrons released flow through different electron acceptors. So during this electron transport, energy of electron is stored in the form of ATP and NADPH plus H plus. It means it is the part of light reaction. Accessory pigments absorb the sunlight and transfer it to chlorophyll A. Then chlorophyll A molecule become excited and transfer the electrons in cyclic way. Further, lysis of water molecules in the form of oxygen, H plus and electrons resultant ATP and NADPH2 are formed, and it is the production rate of light energy. The high energy substances ATP and NADPH2 are used in reduction of CO2. Production of light energy, it means ATP and NADPH2 are used in the CO2 fixation because photosynthesis is a redox reaction in which both oxidation and reduction process take place. By oxidation, photolysis of water molecules, and in the reduction, CO2 convert into carbohydrates. Hence, photosynthesis is oxidation reduction process in which water molecule is oxidized and CO2 is reduced in the sugars or carbohydrates. And this complex process of photosynthesis is completed in two phases. First, light reaction. It means photochemical reaction. And second, dark reaction or biosynthetic reaction. In light reaction, main two steps are present. First, photolysis of water, and second, photophosphorylation, which is further divided into cyclic photophosphorylation and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. And this reaction occurs in greener part of chloroplast. In dark reaction, C3 cycle, C4 cycle, chem cycles occurs, and through this cycle CO2 fixes in carbohydrates, and this reaction occurs in the stroma part of chloroplast. In light reaction, the first phase of photosynthesis requires presence of light and relates to photochemical reactions. And these reactions take place in the greener region of chloroplast, and assimilatory power is generated in this phase. So, the heat coefficient of this phase is approximately Q10 is equal 1. It means Q10 value of light reaction is 1. And in dark reaction, photosynthesis does not require presence of light, and it takes place after light reaction. So first reaction of photosynthesis is light reaction and second is dark reaction, and it occurs in stroma region. Assimilatory power generated during light reaction is used in the reduction of CO2 into carbohydrates. In light reaction, ATP and NADPH2 are produced, which are used in the dark reaction for CO2 fixation in the carbohydrates. So this phase is affected by temperature, heat, coefficient, and Q10 value is 2 or